Babybus.
Find out which are food and feed Kiki. Bread. Cake. Battery. Pen. Marble. Strawberry barrette. Watermelon. Cookies. Children, you must check clearly what you can and can't eat. Don't just eat anything. You shouldn't leave toys everywhere. Hurry and put your toys in order. After playing with the toys, remember to put them back. You shouldn't touch hot things. Pull the fan over to cool the food down. Feed Kiki the food. Children, things that are steaming might burn you. You have to cool them down before you eat them. When you're going up or downstairs, you should be careful of your feet. You are doing great. Children, when going up and down stairs, remember to hold on to the railing and walk slowly, step by step. Also, if the floorboards are broken, call Mom and Dad to fix them.
I'm Mom.
Mom, we have guests. If strangers knock at the door, we cannot open the door. We must call Mom and Dad.